Hello everyone, Karen Torcoletti here. We're getting near the end. Today I'm actually going to take you through station 10 and 11 as we're getting closer to the end of the line. There's not as much happening within it, so I'm going to combine these two and walk you through. So station 10, let's start with that. In station 10, this is where the TV gets installed. It's got the dust cover on it right now, but the TV gets installed. Or 24-inch TV. This is when the microwave gets installed in the cabinet. It's also when any of the cushions that we have that are actually stored in here are added to the coach, and the table legs are all added in. The other thing that happens at station 10 is the shower curtain is added. So the door is off right now so I can show you guys, but the shower curtain is installed at this station. There's also the radio is added in, and the table, which in a Zion is stored on the back door, that's added. So again, small kind of finishing touches added at station 10. And then station 11 is actually when they do a thorough clean of the vehicle. They double check the remote starter. They put on any dash kit decals if they have them, or if we have them. We don't do that very often anymore. And then I'm going to take you out the vehicle for a second. Biggest thing is the decals. So the 3 window decals that are prominent on all Roadtrek, so you guys can see each other when you're driving down the road. And of course the Roadtrek logo is all added at this station as well. So by the time it leaves station 11, it is a completed vehicle. There should be nothing left for it to be done, because as it hits station 12 is our final inspection station, and if any rework needs to be done, it happens in station 12. So besides the door that was removed, this would be a finished vehicle ready for final inspection when it leaves station 11. I'm going to post station 12 individually. I'm gonna try and get our head of quality to talk to you a little bit about what she does and what her team does to inspect a vehicle when it's at station 12. She has a long list of things she looks for, she goes through, she checks for, and I think it's important that you all see what that looks like. So stay tuned for station 12, but station 10 and 11 we just talked about, and we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. See you soon.